It was time for the 25-meter pistol women's event. The 8 highest qualifying athletes lined up to compete for one of those sought-after World Cup medals. This final was to consist of 2 stages, a semi-final and 2 medal matches, all scoring being hit or miss. The semi-final consists of 5 series of 5 shots. At the end of the semi-final, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th place would be decided, before we moved on to our bronze and gold medal matches. After an extremely exhilarating 5 series, it was time to say goodbye to those athletes who took 5th to 8th place in this final. Taking 8th place was Spain's Sonia Franquet, who struggled from her first series to get a grip on that table. Next to be eliminated was Serbia's World Cup silver medalist Zorana Aranovic. She took 7th place in this competition. 6th place went to Yulia Alipova, representing the Russian Federation. So just missing out on being in that bronze medal match was Heidi Diethelm-Gerber from Switzerland. Diethelm-Gerber has had a good year already, winning the gold medal in Fort Benning earlier this year, but was unable to capitalise on that success in this final, meaning she took 5th place. We then moved on to our bronze and gold medal matches.
Ready. Attention.
In our bronze medal match, we had Hungary's Renata Debay-Sika shooting a head-to-head against Bulgaria's Antonita Bonova. This was a thrilling and close match, but it was Anita Bonova who came out on top and won that bronze medal, beating Hungary's Renata Debay-Sika by 7 to 5 points.
Next series. Ready. Attention. Go. Next series. Ready. Attention.
In the gold medal match, Germany's Monika Karsch met the 2008 Olympic silver medalist Gundegma Otriad of Mongolia. It was Karsch who took the gold medal by beating Otriad by 7 points to 5 to secure her first World Cup medal ever. The German shooter had finished in the spotlights at the 2013 European Championship, where she ended up on her first international podium, winning the bronze. Otriad walked out of the match with that silver medal, secured with 21 hits in the semi-final and 5 points in that medal match. The 5-time Olympian had won the previous World Cup stage in Munich last week, confirming to be one of the strongest pistol shooters of the world.
The bronze medal, representing Bulgaria, goes to Antonita Bonova. The silver medal, representing Mongolia, goes to Kudetma Otria. And the gold medal, representing Germany, goes to Monika Koch. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Germany.